Have you ever wondered how to make money online? A question that sparks curiosity in many, especially in the wake of technological advancements. Making money online is no longer a far-fetched idea, but a viable option to supplement or even replace traditional income streams. Today, we're stepping into the realm of affiliate marketing, an exciting and profitable avenue in the online business world. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to transform your financial life through the power of online business. So, what is affiliate marketing? Well, think of it as a digital version of a salesperson. You're essentially promoting a product or service for a business, and for every successful sale that comes through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. You might be wondering, why would I want to do this? Well, affiliate marketing can be an excellent method for making money online. You don't need to create your own product or service, carry inventory, or worry about shipping. All you need is your unique referral link and a platform to share it on. In the digital age we're living in, sharing your link could be as easy as posting on your blog, social media, or even in an email. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of income. Now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, you might be wondering how to get started. Getting started with affiliate marketing is simpler than you might think. The first step is to pick a niche, a focused, targetable part of the market. It's essential to choose a niche that's both profitable and something you're passionate about. Next, you need to find a product or service relevant to your chosen niche. There are countless affiliate programs out there, so take your time to find one that offers something valuable and relevant to your audience. Promoting your chosen product or service is the next step. Remember, it's not just about making sales, it's about providing value to your audience. Use simple strategies to get in front of people like social media and email marketing to reach your audience effectively. One cannot overstate the importance of leveraging tools and technology to streamline the process. In the description below, you can click the link to go to onlinebusinessmaven.com to see an incredible all-in-one solution that offers a funnel-building tool, premium, no-fluff training, and a community of people willing to help you get started. This community of like-minded people can help you get on track quickly, and even help you find new opportunities. And with those steps, you're on your way to learning how to make money online in 2024 through affiliate marketing. So let's quickly recap what we've learned. Making money online in 2024 is easier than ever, thanks to cutting-edge tools and technology. We've delved into the basics of affiliate marketing, a lucrative method that's ripe for exploration. We've also walked through the steps to kickstart your journey, from choosing the right platform to selecting profitable products. Remember, the future is digital, and the opportunity to make money online is within your reach. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to learn more.